morning, coffee in the cup and the work day's burning. New York mornings hit cold and fast, but we roll with DBS